How to find Udemy promo code. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching, and once you are in, use the search bar to find the Udemy promo code. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides best deals on Udemy. Once you find the website with promo code, click on the URL to open the website. Now here on this website, you will find different deals and offers that provide discount. So select one that suits your need and a pop-up will appear on the screen with promo code. Simply copy this code and then open Udemy website or open mobile app for course purchase. Log into your account and when you are going to enroll in a course, apply the copied promo code for discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can find Udemy promo code. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.